Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix DNS, probe, finished, NXDOMAIN in Chrome. Alright, let's begin. First, check that your internet connection is working properly and confirm whether the issue is with the website, so try opening it again after some time. Next, click on the three dots menu on the upper right corner of Chrome and open Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security section and then select Security from the options. Scroll down until you find the DNS provider setting and choose Google as your preferred option. Finally, reopen the website that was previously not working, and it should load correctly now. Also, restart Chrome after changing DNS settings to make sure the updates take effect properly. If the issue persists, you can reset Chrome settings or restart your router to refresh the network connection. These steps usually resolve the DNS error quickly without needing advanced troubleshooting. So that's basically how you can fix DNS, probe, finished, NXDOMAIN in Chrome. That's it for this video. Thanks.